why your air conditioners consume more power and raise your monthly electricity bills. You can condition monitor your AC electrical inputs and safely run your AC and as well reduce your electricity bills. Let us go in depth as such. So, just refer your AC nameplate, split AC nameplate, and you can just visit your EB incoming meter at the incoming of your house and switch off all your loads except the AC load. Keep the AC running and just measure what is the volts and what amps it is drawing and what is the kilowatt that is shown in the EB trivector meter. Up to 5% of voltage deviation is allowed. Here you can see it's around, the reference nameplate shows it's around 230 volt rated and it draws around 5.9 amps and it takes a power of 1.284 kilowatts. Okay. Even your local AC service team will record the above during your AC installation, the volts and amps of your AC. Let us say why your AC is taking higher current or higher electricity bills means if your AC is overcharged, then more current from your air conditioner. If your AC is not serviced in time, it takes higher rated current. Before and after you can check your amps, what is the drop in amps after your service. And if your AC outdoor boils under the sun in the midday and is having choked condenser fins, the amps will raise also. So if your AC is 8 to 10 years old, the AC runs more and efficiency loss is around 40%, it is high time to replace your AC as such. Now, coming to the voltage drops, see we are seeing the inputs, electrical inputs that is given to your air conditioner. Coming to the voltage drop in your house air conditioning circuit end to end, that can raise your electricity bills. When you buy a new AC or doing a AMC service, the AC technician asks the AC technician to record the volts and amps at the AC load after the stabilizer at the indoor of your AC. Your AC compressor is rated for 220 to 240 volts only. If the voltage is less, then your AC stabilizer can definitely make it up and confirm after the stabilizer you are getting around 220 to 240 volts. That is important, and if the voltage deviation is here more, then your AC can consume higher electricity bills. Confirm the voltage drop is coming inside your house or from the EB itself, and accordingly you can correct it. The voltage drop test need not be done for your AC only. End to end can be done for your geyser also, that is also consuming 2000 watts, and your induction stove also at maximum load consume 2000 watts. It is better to just check end to end what is the voltage drop in your house electrical circuit. It is for your safety only. Next, why your AC is taking higher amps and higher electricity bills? If your AC is overcharged during the installation with freon gas, the efficiency drops and current will be high. If the AC is undercharged or it is leaking minutely over few months or over an year, then the efficiency drops and the current becomes low, but the AC runs for more hours of the day. So either 10% undercharged or 10% overcharged, the efficiency drops by 10%, the AC bills also will rise by 10% minimum. You refer your AC nameplate, it is 230 volts for 5.9 amps rated. Confirm what is your reading before and after the service, and annually when you do the AMC and during the installation you have the readings of your AC. This is the AC records you need to maintain to safekeeping of your AC as such. Basic volts and amps will show the instant electrical parameters at the AC end. When you set the AC to timer or eco sleep mode and record today and tomorrow the run hours and the kWh units, you can confirm the reduction in kWh for the given run hours. Today, say for 10 hours, your AC consumes 12 units per day. Tomorrow it will be 9 units per day for the same 10 hours. When the room temperature you are setting from 20 degrees to 27 degrees centigrade, you can observe the 25% savings in units the next day itself. The sub meter plus the button meter and if needed the run hour meter can be put in a box and installed before the indoor of your air conditioner. Why your daily power bills shoot up, and you need to analyze by monitoring this. This button volts and amp meter, it can be installed at the AC indoor after the stabilizer, it just costs only 400 rupees. It can be installed on after the stabilizer in the box. When the AC is running, you also record the voltage drop from the incoming EB side at the trivector meter and at the button meter. This is to know just your AC is there is no drop of voltage from in the AC line circuit as such. If your AC daily run hours is fixed only, you don't need a run hour meter. If the daily usage run hours is not fixed, it is variable, then you may need a run hour meter. Higher kWh daily consumed will prompt you to take the steps corrective immediately. For the same given daily run hours, lower kWh is sustained, then it means your AC is running healthy. The submeter and the run hour meter counters, they are like counters, they are not resettable. So it will be cumulative, either you can take it a day or a week, suiting to your convenience, but this will give you an idea whether you are loading your AC, what is the loading given to your air conditioning machine over the past a day or a week or a month. So seeing the daily units through the submeter, it is always better than to avoid the monthly EB excess bill. You don't need to receive the shock after a month as such. Coming to the why the AC is coming more power, the poor maintenance of the condenser and the evaporator leads to almost 40% of the AC power consumption in package units. It's like the Pareto principle, 20% of the consumers, power consumers as fans, they decide the 80% of the compressor run hours. It is applicable to your split AC also. You can see the dirty condenser, the kilowatt per ton increases to 20% and a dirty evaporator almost 18%, almost 40% the power consumption goes up when your indoor evaporator coil, fan and the outdoor condenser coil, both the coils are choked, it will automatically raise your AC power bill by 40% as such. Relative submeter daily monitoring will show how much AC can consume less as such. Your AC running hours may vary mostly in the night and as well in the daytime. The main part of the kWh in the AC outdoor compressor, that is only 90% of the AC consumption. These fans, this indoor fan and the outdoor fan just consume only 10% only. So let us say you take the selector timer mode or sleep mode or eco mode in your remote and you run the AC for the night, the compressor run hours will come down and the kWh reduces. The submeter readings also reduce, you can see it on the next day itself. So for the given AC run hours, you focus to reduce the compressor run hours daily as such. Curtains on the sunny windows, that is more important, and reflective films on the windows also reduce the heat load by 25%. When you raise the AC room setting from 20 to 27 degrees and your AC switched on hours is same, then the kWh will reduce by 25%. You can see it the next day itself as such. Thanks to the Bureau of Energy Efficiency and the TERI reports, the Energy and Research Institute, you can see the yellow zone, that is more comfortable from 24 to 27 degrees. It is more comfortable for our human comfort especially, and you can achieve the straight away 24% power savings by going for a higher temperature setting as such. In depth, the TERI report gives from 18 to 27 degrees, if the temperature room setting is changed, almost 30% savings is achieved. In depth, they have given a detailed analysis how the AC temperature setting on raising from 18 to 27, and you can achieve the savings. From 18 to 24, it's around 6% rise per 1 degree rise, and for 24 to 27, it's 4%. The AC power comes down for every 1%. So ultimately, 24% savings is possible when you are raising the temperature to from 20 to 27 degrees, let us say. When the AC power submeter is, why it is varying daily? Though you are running for fixed hours of day, it is varying due to many factors. AC indoor filter getting choked, not noticed, and you have to clean it once in 2 weeks. The AC outdoor coils choked until the sun, spray cleaning with detergent water, mild detergent water, and routinely, and sun shading definitely helps to reduce your power bill. AC refrigerant leaks minutely happen in between the indoor and outdoor. The amps may show less, but the AC will be running hours of the AC compressor will be more. So the AC daily hours, running hours vary due to the leakage through the doors and even the sealed door. When you are having a sealed door, a sealed room, the AC gets cooling in half the time than a room which is having a leakage more. So, higher ambient and solar ingress on the top and sides of your room increases the AC kWh, the power as well as the run hours. Aesthetically done, kind courtesy at East Ray Chennai office. See, here they have done suiting to the users. It is a 50-seater hall. If only 20 members are there, they just draw the curtain in between the at the center of the hall and suit the AC load to only half the hall at 20 for the 20 persons. And if it is 50 persons there, they just keep the separation door, just they close it and they keep the open the hall fully, so that they get full air conditioning for the hall, and thus by reducing your room size or filling the empty spaces in your rooms and providing insulation and arresting the leakages, definitely it will reduce your AC electricity bills. When you are replacing your split AC, keep in mind the environment friendly refrigerant option. This is 10% electricity saving definitely you can achieve, and 30% global warming potential. This is more important of, let us say you are going to have the latest R32, that is the environment friendly refrigerant, than the R410A which you have been using, which we have been using long years back. So, you can see the global warming potential is around 675 for R32, whereas for R410 it is 2100. So, approximately 30% you have of the existing global warming potential you are able to reduce with the latest environment friendly gas. So, 10% reduction in electricity consumption also happens. So, when you are planning to replace your air conditioner, go for a environment friendly refrigerant option in your air conditioner. So, you can reduce around ₹1000 in your monthly electricity bills by smartly using your AC and keep as well optimizing your AC safety and health parameters. When others around you in the city are tolerating almost 40 degrees Celsius without an air conditioner, you can compromise your AC temperature at 27 degrees. It is only your mindset, and once you get accustomed to this 27 degrees centigrade, then you will feel better medically. As well, the mild cold circulation around you will definitely comfort you all the while sustainably. So, ultimately it is for the benefit of the nation, you are saving the individual electricity of yours. 1 unit saved by you at the tail end, it is almost equal to 2 units kWh units, 2 units saved in the generation end. Thank you, thank you, thank you.